Got to go down a few weeks ago and fish with my dad down in Lake Sinclair in Georgia. And we started off skipping a few docks.
Haha. See that skip? I'll be skipping.
And then we ended up a little more shallow than we realized because our electronics weren't working.
What?
Then we fished some more docks. This time we were trying to get some crappie. And then we skipped docks again for bass.
Yes, I am. Huh?
And then toward the end of our time, we noticed this hawk that was flying over this shallow, grassy area. And he kept swinging by, hovering, and then he would dive into the water. And we decided there must be fish here, so we decided to fish this area. And this was the last place we had time to fish. And it was definitely worth spending some time here.
I don't know if you got anything or not. He's coming back.
And this was a good reminder that if you can't find the fish, let nature tell you where the fish are, because the birds are pretty good at finding the fish.
Oh, hey, I got a fish. Thought I was hung. Well, I got treble hooks. Jerkbait. Sweet. Nothing amazing, but it's a fish. Man, that hook's pretty good. Just keep hooking him in new places, I guess. It's fish catching time. That's what time it is. Hey yo, finally caught a bass. Hey, I caught him.
Are we stuck?
No, I don't think so. No, I mean we're in plenty of deep water. If we can kind of hang around this shallow, grassy stuff here, that's where I caught him on a jerkbait off of that. Good. But I don't know. What? Ow! What? Are there muskie in here? Are there muskie in here? That looked like a muskie, Dad. Or a gar. That was a big fish. He was just kind of barely hooked. Says there are no record of muskie in here, so maybe it was a gar? There it is. It was a gar.
How'd you see it?
It just popped out of the water. That was exactly what I had hooked, and he came unhooked. It was a gar. So they have long-nosed gar here. That's exactly what it was. It wasn't this big, but Hey, we got another one. Uh-oh, that's not good.
No, I mean up here. Still.
Well, I know, that's still not good. What do you have? What are you throwing?
Oh.
Not what I wanted to do. Sorry, bud. See, we listened to the hawk, and he showed us where the fish were.
Thanks for helping us beat the skunk, buddy.